Hey guys, welcome back to my living room hallway. Today I'm going to be unboxing another FrockBox. Again, FrockBox is a beauty subscription box out of St. Albert, which is right near Edmonton where I live. So they put together 5 items every month that you can try on. Cost $24.95, and if you keep any of the items, you pay for the item, but that $24.95 comes off as a credit towards whatever item you keep. And if you keep everything, all 5 items, you get 25% off your total order. So let's take a look at the 5 items that they sent me, starting with a pair of shoes. They sent these LA Shoe King cheetah print with white sole sneakers to me. These are $42.99 and they sent a size 7. I have really wide feet, but also very good luck with the shoes that they've sent so far. So let's see if they fit. Yes, they do fit. Good start, cute shoe, very comfy, very padded sole. Nothing too much to say about these leopard cheetah print shoes. But they match the other pair of shoes that they sent me in a previous box. You can check that box out here. But cool. Cupcakes in Cashmere Ginevra top with lace sleeves. That is this top right here. It's super lacy, and it's got a button back like a lot of their shirts do. And then the lace is kind of overlaid on top of this like solid white panel. And this shirt is $90. It's made in China, 52% nylon, 48% cotton, and 100% polyester for the lining. They recommend that I pair that top with these dark wash denim jeans. These are by the brand Judy Blue. They're 14W size. These are 93% cotton, 6% polyester, and 1% spandex, and they're made in Vietnam. And they are selling them for $80. So let me throw on these 2 items, and I'll be right back. Alright, and here is the shirts and the jeans. The jeans fit very nicely. Again, exactly the right height, very comfortable around the waist. I think they look very flattering. They feel comfortable and heavy, which is kind of a nice feeling. The shirt has these adorable little puff sleeves, the button back, and of course, it's like the shoulderless effect. Where you get the, I don't know, what is that called? It's a little peekaboo heart neckline. The only thing is this lace overlay looks incredibly delicate, and it's $90. So $90 for a shirt seems like a lot for me. I don't know. I just feel like I would be constantly paranoid of like my ring getting caught in it or my cat jumping up on me and ruining it. For $90, I think it's just more appropriate for someone who's not quite as careless as I am. And before we switch out this outfit, they do recommend one other thing to wear with it, which is a button front cropped loose knit cardigan. Let me show you that. This is the cardigan. It is, yeah, just a very nicely knit cardigan with the one seam up the back. The color is burnt sienna, and it's by the brand Sadie and Sage. It's designed in California, made in China, and it's 100% polyester in a size large. Of course, the sleeve on the shirt kind of like puffs up, and the sweater kind of mimics that like puff sleeve effect that we got going, which is super cute. So this would be the completed outfit, which honestly, very cute. Love the shoes, love the jeans, love the sweater. Just this shirt underneath is just throwing me off a little bit. But overall, I really love this outfit. And I've already actually worn the sweater out with different outfits. I can see this going with so many things I already own. It's just gonna be such nice basics. $70 is a lot for a sweater, and I almost prejudged that I wasn't gonna wear it. But there's just some really nice details on it, like the puff sleeves, the cut at the shoulder, the fit of it, how it's a little bit cropped. Super cozy. It feels very delicate. It's got a beautiful texture. Ugh, I really like this sweater a lot. And the last item that they sent me is this jumpsuit. And the jumpsuit is from EGI. And this one is $64.99. And it's got pockets on it. Cross back. I'm pretty sure this is the back. There's no tags or anything, but the pockets would indicate that this is the front of the garment. There's a couple loose strings. I can't actually find the tag that talks about the materials. But yeah, there's no like information tag that I can see about like how to wash and care for this garment. And even on the info sheet, they accidentally put the set sweater twice instead of listing the jumpsuit. So this is $64.99, but they have just the sweater listed one more time, which is a little weird. But let me try this on so you can take a look at this jumpsuit. Again, it's an extra large. And here is the jumpsuit. Not too sure that it's the most flattering on me. It's kind of got a cute front top, and the back is very cute. It's very lightweight, so it's kind of a strange choice going into fall, because I feel like it would be pretty chilly to be wearing this, especially with our tiny little cold wave coming up. But of course it does go very well with the shoes that they sent. And the sweater. But overall, I don't know. I think 70 bucks. I might pay like $24.99 for this jumpsuit. Kind of like our Dean prices or something, but not a full $70, especially with all the strings and not having a care tag. I don't know, it's just kind of like a weird mystery item. What do you think? Do you think this like suits me? I think the pockets are a very cute touch, and it is incredibly comfortable. It's like a drop crotch, and it just kind of sits in your waist. Pretty cute, but just not $70 cute. So let's play Guess What I Am Going to Keep this month. First of all, shoes. They're a keeper. Great fit, very cute, very comfortable. $40 for shoes. To me, that's a good price up here in Canada. Next, the Cupcake and Cashmere shirts. Not gonna keep this one. $90 is just too expensive for just a shirt for me. Kind of cute. Again, I hate wearing white. They keep sending me a lot of white tops, and I'm just not super comfortable wearing white and such a delicate fabric. No. The jeans, the denim, very nice. I am actually gonna keep these. They seem like a very high quality, especially to my Old Navy jeggings, which I wear day in and day out. So it'll be nice to have a high quality pair of jeans. Couldn't ask for a better fit or better comfortable feeling pair of jeans. And I feel like if I went out to kind of find one myself in a store, I'd be paying around the same price. And the sweater, I mean, the tags are already off, you guys. I've worn this thing. This is my new like favorite fall piece. This is definitely stained, and I love it. I feel like I could probably make one of these myself. So maybe that's something I can aspire to in the future. A little worried about the buttonholes just because it is so delicate, but I'll just be gentle about maybe not doing up the buttons super often. And yeah, such a pretty color too. And then finally the jumpsuit, I'm going to be returning. Just, I don't know. It's cute, it's just not $70 cute. I've already said that. So thank you so much for joining me for this month's FrockBox try-on. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like I'm getting into a rhythm with these, and hopefully they're more enjoyable to watch as I kind of loosen up with them and be more myself. If you have some suggestions for what I should be doing in these videos, let me know. Should I show you my butt more? I don't know. The full length, I'd be good with this full length. Is the lighting good? I don't know. But that is this month's FrockBox. Keeping 3 items, returning 2 items. All the items were definitely on the high end except for the shoes. So I don't know. I keep feeling like maybe I should lower my budget, but at the same time I still like seeing what I get at any price. So I'll let them figure it out based on my feedback. And I'm gonna go mail these items off and write up my feedback for them. Honest, I wear a lot of the items quite often that I've gotten from previous boxes. So I think if you're careful with what you keep, you can start building up a very nice wardrobe. And of course, it's great to support local, great to support Canadians. So with that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye.